Ready? Start. Production activities of any manufacturing unit depend to a large extent on the system of communication being followed there. Full stop. Communication is one of the most important side of the work of any firm and it is necessary to all forms of business. Full stop. It is concerned with getting information from one person to another through the post or by a telephone call, a special messenger service, or any other means. Full stop. It also covers such things as reports and invoices, orders and estimates, as well as notes from one department to another and instructions. Even samples of the firm's production are means of giving information. Full stop. Stanza. A communication service which is efficient is one that is able to choose the right method of getting into touch with the person who is wanted or giving the information that is needed. Full stop. To choose the right method, it is necessary to take into consideration such matters as speed and cost as they apply to any particular case, and coming to a decision about this, several factors will have to receive attention. Full stop. If it is especially important that the information should be accurate, particularly in the case of figures, it is usually wise to give it over the telephone. Full stop. The risk of losing a document in transit must be considered, and if such papers have to be sent through the post, it should be by registered mail. Full stop. A letter is perhaps the most commonly used method, and it has the advantage of being in itself a record of what has been said. Full stop. It may be, however, necessary to take steps to see that the letter is read only by the person to whom it is addressed, and in these circumstances it should be very clearly marked. Full stop. Private, so that it can be passed on to the right person without being opened first. Full stop. When it is necessary that the information should be in the hand of the person receiving it as soon as possible after dispatch, a telegram may be the best method of sending it to the person concerned is in confirmation. Full stop. In working out the cost of a communication, it should be remembered that a great deal of work is involved in preparing the same rather than the cost involved in sending it to the person concerned. Full stop. For example, the cost of the labor and material used in getting a letter ready and post it will be higher than the price of the postage stamps used. Full stop.